Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how do we change the invoice code that is generated. Right now you can see that the invoice default code is just a number. What if we want to add the brand initials, let's say VOG on top as the prefix, and as the suffix we want to add the year number, which is let's say 2022. Then how do we do that? We'll go into store configuration. From store configuration, go into settings, shop settings, and from shop settings, we are going to go and change this. So let's say we add VOG, and in the suffix we add 2022, and we save that. And if we refresh this, you'd see that the older invoices don't change. That is something very important to understand. But let's say we order something new now. We order this as a new order, and I already have some things in the cart, so I'll leave it as it is, and then I'm going to check out. If we now go back into orders, refresh that, you'd see that this order number has changed. If you want to add a slash before this and slash after that, we can do that as well. So if I go here, and if I let's say add this as this and this as slash here, and then save that, then if you again place an order, let's say I'm going to place an order of this shoe again. And if we refresh that, then you'd see that the new order that is created, again something very, very important to understand, it does not change the older orders. So you don't have to worry about changing all the orders if you change this. Let's say every year you need to change the order sequencing. This is how you change it. And if I now look at the invoice here as well, you'd see that the new invoice code has been coming in. Thank you.